How to fix ChatGPT not creating images. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where ChatGPT is not generating images. Let's get started. First, completely close the ChatGPT app. Then reopen it and try generating the image again. If that doesn't work, go to your phone settings, open apps, select ChatGPT, tap storage, and choose clear cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your chats. Still having the problem? Open the ChatGPT app, go to your account settings, log out, and then log back in with your account. Next, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and check if there's an update available for the ChatGPT app in your app store. If the issue continues, it may be a temporary server problem. In that case, wait a little while and try again later. That's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.